People of the internet, today on the Grease Monkey Society we're going to take this door apart and see if I can fix this window so it'll quit being really cold in my truck. Tools you're going to need to take a door panel off a 2002 Dodge Ram is a number 3 Phillips head and a 10mm socket on an extension. Got one screw right here. You got a 10mm bolt on the handle down in there. And voila. And to get the rest of the panel off, you just simply, not very simply, but you just lift up. And you realize your speaker's broken for no apparent reason. That's lovely. Okay. We'll get to you in a minute, I guess. Oh, that's lovely. Alright, just as I thought. I don't know how you can see. You can see the little clip down there. See the little clip down here. Right, my fat ass arm's in the way. Right here. That's what your window sits in, and as you can see, it comes unglued for the window. This is a pretty standard problem for these Dodges. I've had to deal with it several times on this truck. What you do is you take your window, you slide it back down, and you make sure it goes in the clip. When you're done with it, it should look like that, seated all the way down, and that should last you till the next time it freezes. I should add some window weld to the channel here to keep it from popping out again, but it's really cold and I don't have time. Top tip for everybody: get your window switch in and out, get your little tabs lined up, it sits in here correctly like that, and then you just spin it till it clicks. Alright, back fixed, window's fully working again, everything's put back together. Maybe on the next episode we will show you guys how to fix the speaker and all that other fun stuff. Alright, that concludes this repair video on the window. If you guys liked the video or found it informative, like, subscribe, comment, let me know. Alright, it's been the Grease Monkey Society. Have a nice night.